Welcome to Tech Hints for Authors and Bloggers. My name is Barb Drozdowicz and I teach WordPress. A common concern that many bloggers have is around pictures. Sizing them, manipulating them, doing various things with them. I often hear people say, well, I just can't manage to do anything with my pictures because I don't have an image manipulating software on my computer such as Photoshop or something like that. And the reality is that your WordPress blog has quite a bit of capabilities that many people are not aware are there. So we're going to talk about how to manipulate or edit a picture that is sitting in the media library. This is a picture of my favorite mountain, and if you look over on the right hand side, you'll see that it's huge. The dimensions are 2560 by 1920, so way bigger than you could ever use on a blog post. Look at the bottom or towards the bottom and you'll see edit image. So we're going to click on that button and it's going to bring up the editing functionality. There's a line of buttons up here, and there is more information that's been added over here. So we're going to talk about this first. If you hover over the buttons, you can see what they actually do. Rotate counterclockwise, so it stands the picture on its end. And use that one, flip it back. These two are, as I hover over, you can see flip vertically or flip horizontally. And, of course, an undo button, which is always handy to have. This one is your crop button, and you'll notice that it's grayed out. It's grayed out because you haven't shown it what you want to crop. So if I choose an area, then the crop button is highlighted or is usable, is no longer grayed, and I can click on it and it will chop bits off of the picture. So over on the right hand side, I'm going to click on update and it will save the changes that I have made to that particular picture. I want to show you the scaling ability also. Over on the right-hand side, we have two numbers, and we can manipulate those numbers. We can make the picture smaller. It's not a good idea to make it bigger. But let's say we want to take this picture and make it 450 pixels wide, for example. You'll notice that as soon as I typed in the first field, the second field automatically moved. So it's forcing you to change the size of the picture proportionally, which is a good thing because otherwise it ends up getting distorted. As soon as I click on update, those changes will be kept in place or will be more permanent. And anywhere this particular picture has been attached, if it's been put in a blog post, those changes will be applied to the blog post. Play with the editing function on your blog and see what you can do without having any external software whatsoever. Until next time, have some fun.